it's Elaine and today I am back with a makeup tutorial. A lot of people ask for my makeup tutorial, not even on the comments, but like to me personally too. But honestly, I'm not that good at makeup. I just do it. I have the same look every single day. This is my daily makeup and this is my only makeup. So yeah, so this is probably the only makeup video that would ever be in my... No, that's a lie. Like, I'm not really into makeup as well. I don't have many products. I just have whatever I just need. But if you want to know how to do my makeup, follow my video.
Alright, hello guys. So first we are going to touch up on our skin. We are going to moisturize them with this little thing. And oops, a little dirty, but it's okay. Let's dot some on our face. Alright, and more dots. We're gonna blend them, spread them, whatever you call them. Yup. And next is our sunscreen. We're gonna put it in our hand. I only put it on my cheeks and my nose for some reason. I feel like other places are necessary, but they're probably necessary. But I just don't do it. Oh yeah. And then I get a beauty blender and a foundation and squeeze one pump out and make dots on my face. Then blend it. I am becoming a paper. Alright, dot, dot, dot. And then more dots. Blend, blend. Oh, my dark circles are gone. Okay, naturally we brought them down to the chin and our nose area. Get the details. Make sure to get the details. And then our nose area. And boom, the forehead. And make sure to bring them down to your jawline and then connect it with your neck, you know? Alright, next is our eyelid. I just put the access onto it. Alright, time to tie our hair for our next business. Brush my eyebrows, even though I have no eyebrows. Just brush them. Pretend I have one. And now I'm going to start filling in from the bottom and the top front. The front first. And then I draw an outline around my eyebrows. And then fill them in. Alright. Ooh. And then get my brush again. And we're gonna make the front a little bit more natural. And then blend out the side too. Look at that difference. Ding! Alright, I'm so excited for contouring my cheekbones. Sorry, so dirty. We get the darkest color and I make a line first because I want that place to be the darkest, and then we're gonna blend around in a circular motion to make it more natural. And then we're gonna pretend to have a jawline and make a jawline. Alright, get back to business. Ooh, I'm sweating too. Alright, we get the second darkest color. And since I have a lot of cheek fat, we're gonna work on them cheeks. Ooh. Okay. Make myself skinnier. And then I go into the forehead. My forehead is small in general, so I don't really do much, but I try to shape it more like a circular thingy. I get the same color with the cheeks. And I do my nose. I contour my nose. I emphasize it more on the tip and that line. I do it on that triangle area. And then naturally bring the axis down. I don't really concentrate too much on the bridge in the middle area. And I like my tips flat, so I contour that as well. And I do it to the other side. And make a bridge in the middle. And we get a light concealer. And then put it on the tip of my nose to emphasize it, and then on the bridge of my nose. Then we're gonna connect it with our forehead. And we get a highlighter and put it on my nose. Yeah. On the cheekbone. I like it natural on my cheekbone and my brow bone. So let's go natural. And then our chin area, the cupid's bow, and a little bit in the center of our forehead. And then we get our blush. Dab, dab, dab. I like it to be parallel from my eyeball, and I like it above my nose. And I just blend it around that area. I love blush. Alright, the face makeup is done. So now we go into the eyes. And we're gonna pick this color and this color together. And do it. I don't like it too blended because then my eyes look smaller for some reason. So I like it very slightly blended, but not really blended. I like to have 2 millimeters showing when my eyes are open, and as you see, it's a little bit thicker, so I'm erasing it just a little bit. Then we're gonna make it darker, because eventually that's the size of my eyes. So yes, the corner of the eye is very important. We want that place to be visible. And I like to match that line right there. That's how it looks like. And then we're gonna get that pink color right there. I don't have another brush, so I made my own fan brush. Ooh, and sometimes it goes in your eyes, so be careful. And I apply it under my eyes. Yeah, you gotta make that face, you know. Then we get that brown shiny color. And kind of apply it more on your eyelid, the center of your eyelid. And boom. Just to make it darker. And then I get another palette. Get that black one. Sorry, so dirty. And the brown one. And mix it. And I apply it on the edge of my eyes. Like that. And boom, make it sharp. And then a little bit in the corner of my eye as well, inner corner. Then you gotta check yourself out and see if they are twinning, but they're never twinning, so I just move on. Alright, we get that shiny color. And apply it in the inner corner, in the bottom of our eyes. I like it more like pink glitter or like goldish. Choose a glitter that matches your face color a little bit. Then we get our eyeliner. And I start drawing a line first. And I do not start it from where my eye ends, but a little bit above that. Because when I open my eyes, it's just a little off. So that happens when I open my eyes. And now we're gonna draw the upper outline. And we're gonna match it as we go. We're gonna open our eyes and make sure it is visible. We want it to be visible until the middle of our eye, but not too thick, just like slightly. And we're gonna keep going in and making sure it's visible like that. And we're gonna connect both lines together. And then we're gonna go inwards, and as we go in, we're gonna go thinner, because you know the front is not visible for us. And then we fill them in like that. To make the edge sharp, I do like that with my nails and makes it super sharp. Same thing with the other eye. Boom. And and check if they're even but not even, so we just move on with the dapper chin. Next, we're gonna cut our lashes. Right. I grab it from the root and I let go slightly every single pinch, and then I do a motion where it just goes like upper. On my last one, I just get my root and pinch it real hard, and boom, it's done. It's up. I rapidly grab my mascara and put it on the root of my eyes. Like that. And then we do the same for the other side. And then last pinch. Mascara on the root, and it's literally 90 degrees. It is only visible when you look front, not from the side. What a con. You grab another mascara that concentrates more on the volume. So we put it on the tips of our eyelash this time. And this mascara is a little bit more watery, so it takes a little while for me to dry it. So I literally have to dry like that. Am I the only person that does that? Right, that's how my mascara looks after. It looks way fuller than the beginning. Then I grab another mascara, and that concentrates more on length, but it's very clean. It doesn't clump up with each other, so it's very good. And it looks like that. And my eyes are done now, and we're gonna move on to our lips. We're gonna moisturize them first. And then we're gonna move on to a tint, a super bright tint. I only put it in the inside of my lip, and then I rub them together for a natural gradation. And then I grab a darker colored lip gloss and do it in the center-ish, the middle area of my lips, and then rub it again for a natural mix. And then I grab a lipstick at the end, make a fuller lip and a better lip line. At the end, I have to check myself out and make sure everything looks good and even. And then I have to smile, just in case things like this happen. Smile again, make sure my eyeliner is correlating with my smile. Then we're done!
Alright, this video has come to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you actually do try this makeup look after watching this video or while watching this video, please send me videos or pictures. If you do it, please tag me anywhere or send it to me directly, message me, I don't know, anything, just show it to me. I'm just curious. I only do this makeup, you know, like when other people ask me to do their makeup, I literally just do this makeup, and every single time they just look every single time they just look like me. So I'm just curious if you're gonna look like me too. So let's go, do it, try it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe right there if you want to see more of my videos. Comment down below if you have any questions as well, or concerns, or I don't know. Alright guys, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!